Hello there. So it looks like you got this one wrong. And I thought that might happen with a few individuals, so I thought I'd try something different for me anyways. Try and make a little embedded video to give you an idea of how I might take a look at this question. So first off, we need to know what's the acid and what's the base here. So I can see I have Cn minus here, so that doesn't have an H. That's obviously got to be the base. And its conjugate acid must be this here. Now I'm looking at HS and H2S. Well, this has more H's, so that must be the acid. This must be the base. So we have acid and base is in equilibrium with acid and base. Okay, so that makes good sense so far. Now we are looking for the strongest base and what effect that's going to have on this equilibrium and how we are going to be figuring out, because if the reactants are favored, it's telling us. Well, which way do bases go? Well, maybe you don't remember, but we can actually look at our table. We could approach it a couple of different ways. You were told that the strongest acid would drive the reaction to the other side. So what are the two acids? We have HCN and we have H2S. Okay, so that's what we were told in the PowerPoint. The strongest acid will drive it to the other side. So now we can take a look at our data booklet. Or not. There we go. So we are looking for H2S. Here we go, H2S. And we are looking for HCN. So which one is the strongest acid, H2S or HCN? So on the acid side, we are looking for things going up would be the strongest acid. So for our H2S is a stronger acid than HCN. If we look on the base side, however, further down is the stronger bases. So H2S is a stronger acid than HCN, but HS is a weaker base than Cn-. So we can see thus that our strongest base must be the Cn-. Now if we go back to here, what did we say? We said the strongest acid was H2S. So here we would have H2S is our strongest acid. Okay, but we said that the opposite, the strongest base, is going to be Cn-. So what is this going to do? This is going to drive the equation towards the reactants. So a couple of ways of looking at this. You could try and look at the table to see which one is the strongest base. Or you could actually just decide which is acid and base, and if it's driving towards the reactants, the strongest base has to be the Cn-. So this would be your answer, because that is the strongest base. We found that on the table. It's going to be driving the reaction to the left and towards the reactants. So I hope that helps out.